When I started out as a carpenter, I never would have imagined working on a hospital ship. And really, it's a dream come true. My name is Will Ballantyne, and I'm one of the carpenters here on the Global Mercy. The work we do on the ship is essential because we support patients and crew in the general running of the ship. If I could describe my work on the ship in one word, it would be variety. You're all over the ship, in all departments, and there's just such a variety of different jobs to do. I feel my role as carpenter is vital to the mission of Mercy Ships, in that we are supporting the whole process of hope and healing. When you see a child, for instance, walking with a pair of shoes that you've adapted and helping them in their rehab process, then it's really pleasing to see that. You feel as though you've really contributed to the healing process. So that's what keeps us afloat.